an aircraft that was awe-inspiring when it first appeared in 1944, because of its extreme speed and compactness. The Messerschmitt Me 163 Komet, designed by Alexander Lippisch. Although produced in only 300 examples, it posed a threat to the Allies, proving potentially dangerous. It featured an innovative rocket propulsion, powered by the Walter HWK 509A1 engine. This engine used the dangerous T-STOF, hydrogen peroxide, and C-STOF, methanol and hydrazine, as propellants, enabling it to reach exceptional speeds of about 960 km per hour. However, the short flight range caused by rapid propellant consumption limited the duration of missions to a few minutes. Another revolutionary element for the time was the delta wing, which gave it remarkable aerodynamic efficiency. The engine was liable to explode at the slightest accident, all of which resulted in the deaths of 16 pilots altogether. The Me 163 used a tactic of diving over enemy bombers, giving the pilot 2 chances to attack, before having to return to base by gliding with the engine off. But the unpressurized cockpit limited the pilot's flying altitude, plus it was difficult to hit the bombers because of the large difference in speed. The Allies took advantage of the short engine range, waiting until the propellant was exhausted before attacking. They also identified takeoff and landing airports, simplifying interception. Numerous aircraft losses and difficulties in training pilots suggested that the plan to create a vast network of defense with the Me 163 was not feasible. Operationally, the aircraft was a failure, with more losses than victories. In addition, the advancement of Allied air technologies, such as jet-powered fighters, quickly made it obsolete. Germany provided designs and an example to Japan as part of the alliance. The Japanese versions were called the Mitsubishi J8M Shusui and had few differences from the original. Although it was a failure, the Messerschmitt Me 163 Komet was a unique and innovative plane in aviation history, known for its extraordinary speed and for being one of the first operational rocket planes. It represented a breakthrough in the evolution of high-speed aviation by contributing to the end of propeller-driven planes and the beginning of jet planes.